guys, welcome back. It's me, Warhammer. Today we're going to be watching episode 2 of and by the way guys,
what happened to us last night? My head is spinning.
That's not spinning! This is! Oh, that was a mistake. I hope whatever we did yesterday didn't involve a heavy meal.
I'll check my memory array. Curious? Last night's memory file appears to have been erased. Check yours.
Where was I?
Perhaps Dr. Eggman knows something about this. Dr. Eggman, sir? That's odd. Usually by this time he's telling us how inadequate we are. It appears as though he's completely vanished.
So wait, Dr. E ain't here? I can do whatever I want? I'm gonna kick over that garbage can! That'll teach you to mess with me, Doc!
We need to figure out what happened to us last night and find Dr. Eggman. But where to start?
What do you two bolt bags want?
Oh, my own talk show, long blonde hair, taste buds.
But that's not why we're here. We seem to have misplaced Dr. Eggman. Did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday. It was yesterday. What was? I've got you now!
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up.
Hey, that's not how it...
Shh!
I'll handle this. Now, you've made me mad. I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.
That's all very nice, but I believe we were inquiring as to the whereabouts of Dr. Eggman.
Yeah, after we, as a team, defeated Eggman, he retreated toward the marketplace.
Many thanks.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to write my acceptance speech. What rhymes with governor?
Keep your optical sensors peeled, Cubot. There must be a clue around here somewhere.
Hey, you two! Oh, you got a lot of nerve coming around here after what Eggman pulled last night.
Dr. Eggman was here?
He was, and he tried to make me the victim of his most evil scheme to date. I'd like to return this umbrella. You can't expect a refund for that. It's broken. What are you talking about? It works fine. See? But you have a 30-day return policy. This is ridiculous. You just lost a customer, pal! After he ran out, I called the police.
Officer?
Hey, don't sneak up on a guy. It's not nice.
I do apologize, but have you seen our missing employer? He's a loud, stocky fellow with an evil laugh and you know.
Oh, no, that guy. He's a dangerous criminal. We caught him last night. The streets are much safer with him off the, streets.
Thanks!
You're welcome.
We need to raise bail money to get the boss out of jail. And I know just how to do it.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you.
Yeesh.
I have a better idea. So, with your donation, we can finally build that oil bath for the old robot's home.
Of course.
I've been collecting for a charity myself. Operation Toasty Beak? We provide sweaters for baby penguins.
They must be so cold in the frozen tundra.
They are. And we have all these sweaters for them. But we can't afford the jet fuel to deliver the sweaters.
Those poor little fluff balls.
I was saving this money for that. But your cause seems important, too. Here you go.
We can't do it! You keep the money! Oh, and take ours too! Penguin sweaters!
That was funny, guys.
I don't think we should sell the Eggmobile. The boss ain't gonna like it.
Oh, I see what's going on here. You're trying to con me. Well, you're not gonna pull one over on T.W. Barker. No, siree.
Oh, no. We're not trying...
So, how about I take her out for a test drive? If I like the way she runs, you've got yourselves a sale. Just name the price.
Hey, he says we can name the price. This guy must be a real sucker. Mr. Barker, we have a deal. That's it! We tried doing things your way. Now we're gonna do things my way. Boss, over here!
Thanks for the help, fellas. I always appreciate a good jailbreak. Willie Walrus, nice to meet you.
We thought you was Eggman.
Oh, I get mistaken for him all the time. In fact, I was just talking to him about it last night. I was walking through the marketplace when... You just lost a customer, pal! Whoa! Who's this handsome fella? Oh, you honey dripper. I'd love to stay and chat, but I gotta break into a helium warehouse. Well, you bumped into the right walrus. Breaking and entering is my speciality. Well, what are we waiting for? After you. How do we know these are helium?
I'm not sure. If only there were some way to tell.
And that's the last I saw of him. I spent the rest of the night in the joint. Breaking and entering is my speciality, but I'm not so good at exiting.
Dr. Eggman! Dr. Eggman! Are you in here? Here, Eggy, Eggy! Look! It's his disintegrator ray! Finally, a real clue! Now all we have to do is follow the path of destruction and... Dr. Eggman's mustache! In his panic, he must have misfired his ray and all that's left of him is his glorious mustache! Come on, Q-Bot. Let's go home.
Surprise!
Dr. Eggman!
Hey, get off me!
We thought you was toast!
What are you two clanking oil cans talking about?
Well, you were gone this morning when we awoke.
I went to get a breakfast burrito.
We traced your footsteps all over town until we found your mustache at the helium warehouse.
That's just part of the pin the mustache on the Eggman game I made for your party.
Our party?
Yes! You said it would improve morale if I threw a surprise party.
You went to all this trouble? For us?
Of course not. I don't care about your nincompoops. I had you do all the work, and then I erased your memories to make sure it was still a surprise. So surprise!
And what a wonderful surprise it is! Hang on a sec. You erased our memories? You can do that?
Oh yeah, I do it all the time. It's real simple. You just press this button right here.
What happened to us last night? My head is spinning. That's not spinning. This is. Oh, that was a mistake. I hope it ever.
Guys, that's all for the video now. Because it replayed again. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, and peace. And I'll make more videos of this. So hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Have a good time and peace out. Later, guys.